Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me tell you how to sort applications by category in App Store. Actually, you cannot directly sort all applications by category in App Store application itself. Instead, you can browse categories. So to do that, let's go to search bar in the bottom right corner of the screen, and in the section browse you will find different categories. They are divided into games and simply applications. So here you can see different categories such as education, business, entertainment, etc. So this is unfortunately the only way how you can sort applications in App Store. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.